Hey guys, happy Friday. This is Tamiya Robles from SmartCredit850.com. And I just wanted to end this work week on definitely a high note. I wanted to show you guys one of my clients, her results. I went to check them for the first time I think, in about a month. And I see that she got a 56-point increase on her Equifax. So I went to check, see what's going on. And it looks like as of May 20th, she got an update, 56-point increase, 38 changes. I went to go check it out and look at all of these collections removed from her credit report. So I want to say congratulations to my client. I'm not going to put her business out there unless she wants to, say something in the comments. She can. I never do that. But yeah, I just wanted to show you these are the type of results that you can get with Fix My Credit Now, 850.com. Look at the inquiries removed for her credit report. I mean, this is absolutely amazing. I like to tell my clients that I'm proud of them for taking the initiative, for taking the first step. They like to thank me, but I always tell my clients, thank yourself. It takes the individual, they want to move forward. They have to want to move forward. They have to want better for themselves, better for their families. And credit, if you guys that truly know me, you know how I feel about credit. The credit bureaus, the credit repair services, credit is just a game. It's just a game. And once you've learned it and you understand it, go ahead and get your credit fixed. Get it fixed so you can move forward and get that house. Especially get the house. Get a car, business credit, leverage your credit, but take the step and that first step and get your credit repaired first so you can move forward. But again, a million congratulations to my client. This is amazing. This is what success looks like. This is what credit repair looks like. This is what drive and taking the initiative looks like. This is what it looks like. So definitely go to Fix My Credit Now, 850.com. Get a free consultation. Go to my website, get some free education. Check out the groups, get some more education. Go to these videos that we have. Go to these links, connect. But definitely Fix My Credit Now, 850.com. For all your realtors, mortgage lenders out there, definitely connect with me, message me, email me, fixmycreditnow, 850.com at Yahoo. I have referral links that are really super easy to use. Clients set up a free consultation with me. But yeah, again, congratulations. I'm so proud of her.